I didn't actually think that this was going to work, but apparently it does. Well, it does work because I've just tested it. So I've been cleaning my oven with these toilet fizzies. These are just homemade ones. And these really work. So this is to clean the glass in your oven. Mine probably isn't as dirty. I tend to try and keep it really clean, but it's always this little fussy little dots that you just are baked on that you can't get off, and this has done an amazing job. So this is the side that I haven't cleaned, and you'll see that there are some grease stains here, and this is the side that I have cleaned, and this is completely free and clear of any of those. So all you need to do is wet the surface. You can use it like water in a spray bottle. I've just used a damp rag and made it wet, and then you can just go over it. Now, it doesn't really matter how dirty your oven is. It's not going to scratch, so you don't have to worry about getting scratches in the glass. And all you do is grab your little fizzy. Dishwasher tablets work as well. I haven't tried the dishwasher tablets because I use the liquid ones, but this is working amazingly. And I'll put the dot English today, well, English every day, but I'll put the link to the video for where I made these fizzies down in the description. But as you can see, they just, let's see if I can capture getting rid of one. There we go. There we go, and it's gone. And all you do is sort of just rub up against them, and they magically take these grease spots off, and you end up with really clean and clear glass. So I hope you like this. I hope you try it. Let me know what your results were like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.